What's up guys, and OnePlus has officially confirmed the new beginning by OnePlus, aka Nord by OnePlus. In a OnePlus farm, OnePlus founder has officially confirmed that they are working on perhaps the biggest smartphone release in years. Again, same thing, OnePlus Nord is officially coming really soon, and now it's pretty clear that it is more than just a phone. We also have some new details pointing towards a design change. But first, taking a look at official things. So we also have a separate Instagram account titled as OnePlus Lite Z Thing, which obviously isn't the name of the phone. It's going to be OnePlus Nord or Nord by OnePlus. In fact, one of the leaked images have actually confirmed the name. If you look at the background, you can see it says Nord. This is indeed a brand new beginning by OnePlus. In fact, a completely new lineup from OnePlus, which is going to be cheaper. There is even a documentary which shows how OnePlus has started and launched the super affordable OnePlus One in the beginning. Pretty much everything in the trailer points towards a one thing, and that is they are about to do this flagship killer thing once again with a new beginning, aka OnePlus Nord. OnePlus Nord, as you have talked about its specs, it's crazy good what it's gonna offer in $300 price range. We have Snapdragon 765 5G processor, 90Hz OLED display, and now instead of single punch hole, there is going to be a dual punch hole which rocks 32 megapixel main camera along with an 8 megapixel depth sensor. There is also going to be a quad cameras on the back. We don't know the specs of the cameras yet, but it is set to have wide, ultra wide, macro, and depth sensors with a 48 megapixel main camera as of the OnePlus 8. 30 watts of fast charging will also be there as well. At first we thought it's gonna cost $400, but now it will match the prices of the original OnePlus One, and that is $300. It's almost like they're recreating the flagship killer with 2020 standard. OnePlus has confirmed some of the details of the OnePlus Nord. They're actually planning to release it first in India and Europe only. And not only this, Amazon India page of the OnePlus Nord has also teasing the new beginning title. According to Copy, they are revealing more details in the coming days, so stay tuned for all that stuff. And according to rumors, OnePlus will unveil their new OnePlus Nord series on July 10th, which is next month, not too far, but they keep teasing this stuff that they possibly can. So let me know your thoughts about this in the comment section below. If you're from India or from Europe, then you are quite lucky. Do let me know, are you or are you not, and I'll see you in the next one.